the actions of the Supreme Court Collegium are a matter of even graver concern as far as I'm concerned than the alleged misdeeds of Justice Yashwant Varma. The fact is that this video was made, the knowledge was there. And the Supreme Court did not act with speed or alacrity, and I do not understand why. I would obviously question why an FIR was not filed in this case. But did the Supreme Court act? Why did the Supreme Court wait? Why did the Supreme Court try to hush up the matter when it met on Thursday? And obviously, behind every story, there is someone who is upset. So maybe it is one of the members of the collegium. I'm not alleging anyone, but these are all honorable judges through whom this information could have come out. I have no proof to say this, but obviously this matter has been leaked by interested parties, if not members of the collegium, someone outside, and to them we are grateful for the leak. And we need the judiciary to know this. And please, the judiciary, which thinks that is always admonishes the media, must tonight look within that. Had it not been for the media, would this matter not have been covered up? So when everything else fails, the media steps in. That's the moral of the story. That's the moral of the story, and especially the independent media like Republic, which does not have any corporate masters. We are answerable only to ourselves. But regardless of that, why was an FIR not filed? And why did the Supreme Court of India Collegium try to get away by... Who gave this idea to transfer him to Allahabad? See, how can you transfer a person over whom there's such a big cloud to Allahabad High Court? Where's the logic? Who believes it? And in any case, he is to retire in May, so why would you transfer him conveniently 6 to 8 weeks before? Can anyone answer that? I mean, these are questions lawyers must ask. And very mild statements from the Supreme Court Bar Association don't help. They should have been far more forthright in this matter. And they've also, I'm not very sure of how they have responded or chosen to respond in this case. Rather not respond as effectively as a group as they should have. I'm nobody to lecture them. They have their own businesses to run, their own ways of operating, their own groups and their own institutional framework. We in the media don't want to lecture them. But we are obviously not very happy with the way they've all conducted themselves because, Rhythm, we cannot have the judiciary become a self-help group. And
Yes.
everyone knows the kind of corruption that there is in the judiciary. It is so wrong. And in so many other cases, such strong action has taken place in the past. There is a precedent, isn't there, Rhythm? Isn't there a precedent in these matters of how one should work? Anyway, I want to just tell you once again about the video which is being shared right now. This video is finally being shared by the Delhi Police Commission.
Yes.
Pictures are about the fire at Justice Varma's house, where a large amount of cash currency has been discovered. And that is what we are watching tonight. And that is what will be debated all of tomorrow and day after until kingdom come, till the Supreme Court takes action and sacks this man. And if he doesn't, then he should be impeached. I don't know what the judiciary legislature is doing. Parliament is on. I don't know what Parliament is doing here. We are not here to lecture Parliament. But we can certainly ask, we don't know whether this is not considered important enough a matter for the executive and the legislature and the judiciary of this country to act. Everyone seems to be looking at each other with a sense of wonder, expecting everyone else to act. I don't know, ostensibly this seems like a cover-up to me, Rhythm. That's all I'll say before I sign off, because I have to follow up on this story on many fronts. Many people are calling me tonight, many well-wishers congratulating Republic for standing up for the truth. And I think that, Rhythm, we'll have to pick this up very strongly tomorrow. Very, very strongly tomorrow indeed.